Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn curved and rounded corners, how we are going to applying to making more efforts and effects to our design. So anything it would be like any input or controllers of HTML, paragraphs, div elements, or anything you may use to apply this particular corner shapes. So for this I'm taking a very simple paragraph tags only. I'll take it first. To applying border radius, we'll see how it is possible to get rounded corners. Very quickly I'm taking a paragraph 1 is for applying of a radius of 4 corners. Let's see first. Okay, radius radius for 4 corners. How it is possible? With the class we'll try to apply. So the class will define and we'll come back here and we'll try to apply over here. So the class equal to, yes, here we'll apply, correct? Now let's see, corner 1 I'll take as a class name. So the corner 1 dot either ID or class, either ID name or class we may take it. So we'll put it as ID will take, no issue. Anything you may take it. So ID equal to corner 1. So the same ID I'm going to apply for the name of the ID. So here I'm ready to write a code. So let's begin. Very quickly I'll put for border radius, first border radius. So 15 px is one thing and 50 px is the second thing and 30 px for the third thing, and the rest of the thing 4 px, which we are going to be applying 4 corner radius. So reload 4 corners radius we are going to applying to this particular border paragraph tag, correct? Yes. So now let's see. So the background color I'm putting, where it is, yes, background color I'm putting something very clearly like 6-3. Yeah, any color you may apply. AD to 1. Reload, refresh. Yes, something is happened, it is showing something, and padding for this is around 20 px, and width to controlling the box to the width of around 200 px. If you want make more customs, yes, you can make it. All right, and height, which is the height of 150 or 100, whatever the pixels you read, you may apply. So reload. Wow, this box we have seen, yeah, it's a putting like 100%. Yes, this is only. So the out of 4, first left, right, this, and the bottom left, you may see 5 px is 30 px, 50 px, 15 independent items. How it is taken, first one is the left top, right top, right bottom, and left bottom. These all 4 corners will be divided in this way. So how simply we are applied, very clearly. So now let's see. Now it's very easy to apply for the rest of the things. So ID corner I'm taking one more, to corner 2 I'm taking for applying three areas only. For this what I am doing, corner 2 I am taken. So this ID I am taking as a copy, paste. So ID 2, and one thing I am removing here over my requirement. So reload. Wow, how it is coming. Out of 4, 3 things only we are applying. So we are getting in this way 3 corners only. So text to be, if white means we can apply the white also, no problem. Okay, so the next one we'll try to put how many corners, see all the corners are applying, this is, and this is applying for only for 3 corners. And now next one we'll see like 2 corners only, so it would be 2 corners and it would be 3. This class is copy and paste would be 3. One more thing I'll remove from here, save it, load it. What I greatly we are seeing, okay, is there any, I think it's a no changes. Yes, some change is there from these two, second one to third one. You may observe the right side bottom corner, you may observe. All right, now we will see only one corner, it's very easy to creating a class also we may take, and putting 4 and removing this 50, and yeah, one more paragraph. It may be paragraph, text box, or ID, anything you may apply, ma. Yeah, only one corner. Yeah, it would be one corner. Let's save it, run it. Greatly we are seeing here the radius of all the corners are going to be applying with the particular 15px only the 15px it is going to be applying. So how beauty it is, 1 2 3 4 corners. If you want to make all impact, or if you want to make shapes, different shapes, you may using this border radius option of property. With this properties of values you may apply in your program. So I hope you are enjoyed a lot to making more beautification of your website. I'll catch you in next lecture. See, this here is the code. I have given very clear detailed code I have mentioned here to the visibility easy purpose only. Yes, this is the whole style. If you are making one class, like one ID is sufficient to making to apply n number. Catch you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.